Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to reinstall your keyboard driver in Windows 11. This is a useful troubleshooting step if your keyboard isn't responding properly or you're experiencing typing issues. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, power on your computer and wait for Windows 11 to fully load. Make sure you're at your desktop before proceeding with the next steps. This ensures all system processes are running and you can access the necessary settings without any interruptions. Once your PC is ready and you can see your desktop, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of your screen where you'll find the Start menu. This is represented by the Windows icon. Instead of clicking it normally, right-click on the Windows icon. This will open a context menu with several system options that aren't available through a regular click. From the context menu that appears, look for and click on Device Manager. This is your central hub for managing all hardware components connected to your computer, including keyboards, mice, graphics cards, and more. The Device Manager window will now open, displaying a categorized list of all your hardware devices. In the Device Manager window, scroll through the list until you locate the keyboard option. You'll notice a small arrow next to it. Click on this arrow to expand the keyboard section and reveal all keyboard devices currently recognized by your system. Depending on your setup, you might see one or multiple keyboard entries listed here. Now, you'll see your keyboard device listed. The name will typically reflect your actual hardware manufacturer, so it might say something like HID keyboard device, or include your laptop's brand name. The exact name may vary based on your specific hardware. Right-click on this keyboard entry to bring up another context menu with various options for managing this device. From the context menu that appears, click on Update Driver. This action prompts Windows to search for and install the latest driver software for your keyboard. The system will automatically handle the reinstallation process, checking for any available updates and applying them to ensure your keyboard functions properly. Wait a moment while Windows processes this request and reinstalls your keyboard driver. And that's it, you've successfully reinstalled your keyboard driver in Windows 11, which should resolve most keyboard-related issues you were experiencing. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.